running. Silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. By your side I found what's right. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. In the dark we find a way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a show romance. We dance in shadows of the moon. Hearts in rhythm, perfect tune. Promise made under the stars. Distance now, never far. They paint the sky, hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Yeah. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. In the dark we find our way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a show romance. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. Together just you and me. We find a way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape the sweet enchant. Every touch a show romance. In the dark we find a way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape the sweet enchant. Every touch a show romance. In the dark we find a way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape the sweet enchant. Every touch a show romance. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter's a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. A universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every season, we'll weather the storms. With love as our shelter, we'll keep each other warm. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts. Painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. love forever will be. In the story of us, you're my every. The silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn. We gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. Every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the right goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons. Together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. Beneath the silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. By your side I found what's right. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. In the dark we find our way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a true romance. We dance in shadows of the moon. Hearts in rhythm, perfect tune. Promise made under the stars. Distance now, never far. they paint the sky, hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Yeah. Silver